Hey, it's Mincks at the Shack, and we're talking about how to pack a backpack. Now, of course, how you pack your backpack can seriously affect how it carries over the long haul. And you should start with a pack that is fit properly for you. The ABCs of packing a pack are access, balance, and compression. Some things you want easily accessible. And when it comes to the weighty stuff, you want them to balance out in the pack so it's not pulling you to one side or the other. And you want to compress things, not just in the pack, but against your back, so it's not pulling you backwards as you go. Your sleeping bag is relatively light and bulky. It's a good soft thing for everything else to ride on. Water, maybe your cook system and food, and your shelter are going to be somewhere in the middle because those are generally the heaviest things in your pack. Lighter and frequently used or urgently needed things are going to go in the top area, in the main compartment, and then of course in pockets around the backpack. And here's just a few other tips for packing. First of all, don't try to roll and fold everything perfectly at home because you will never do that on the trail. And then pack, unpack, and repack your pack a couple times. Really helps. And lastly, take it out for a test drive and make adjustments before you're hitting that trail for a 15-mile hike. Them's the basics for packing a backpack. If you want more practical know-how, check out our classes at HikingShack.com. Now, go play outside and wash your hands.